This is Saif from Food and Travel Valley. Today we're gonna do our very first food vlog at the street foods of our city. This small city but huge, with huge population and huge varieties of foods available around here. So we want to share with you that what we have and what you can taste whenever you come to our country. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, so here we're at Mirpur X Section 1, and behind Mukto Bangla Shopping Complex we found a street where various food shops are available here, a number of shops, street foods, all of them. So we're gonna try something out from here. We're gonna try something from here. Alright, so this is the very first one, so I am just mumbling a little bit, so I hope you don't mind. So this is the first shop we're trying. Okay, guys, so I got this fresh and like you call this oven fresh thing, that's kind of fresh and hot food. What is it called? Dim chapri. So they call it dim chapri. And I'm gonna have a taste because I didn't taste it before. This is the first time I'm taking. Alright. This is smashed banana. Green banana, right? So I'm gonna taste it first with that. Is it so? The banana, smashed banana tastes really good, alright? And this is really good, right? You can taste it, and it's kind of spicy, little spicy. If you are scared of spices, you should be thinking before eating this, right? So today we're gonna taste some other food too, and this is real good. If you wanna taste it, and this is Mirpur. You can come to Mirpur Section 1. There's a shopping complex named Mukto Bangla Shopping Complex. I'll write the name over here so you can find it. And just behind this shopping complex, this street, there's a number of street food shops around here. So you can ask anyone about food gully to come just behind the Mukto Bangla Shopping Complex.